Will mortgage rates go down in 2024? Now, what I'm going to show you in the next screen is an article published by the Times, which has expert opinions on what they believe is going to happen to interest rates in 2024. The Bank of England has decided to hold rates for the fourth meeting in a row. So this was the base rate announcement last week, where they confirmed that it was staying at 5.25%. Now, even though rates have been dropping, affordability remains an issue for many buyers. So while cheaper mortgages and falling house prices are good news for first-time buyers, rates are still at historically high, and property prices are too. This means buyer demand for homes and agreed sales still have some way to go before they recover to where they were 2 years ago. What they're saying here is, even though the prices of properties are falling, the rates are still higher than what they previously were. Maybe not 2 years ago, but they're still high. So for many first-time buyers or even home movers, when they're looking at the mortgage loan that they need to purchase the new property, with the mortgage interest rate available to them, the monthly payment is just working out too much. So even though with some lenders potentially they can get the mortgage loan, they just can't afford the monthly payment. So it's not working out for most potential buyers who are looking to move home. So let's go back to this article. It says, look, however, inflation has fallen in the UK significantly over the past year, which has given banks and building societies more confidence to lend money to borrowers at a cheaper price. So lenders preempt base rate moves by the Bank of England by increasing or decreasing the price of mortgage products accordingly. Now, with the Bank of England deciding to hold the base rate at 5.25% for the fourth meeting in a row in December, it's likely that mortgage lenders have priced their products accordingly. But also aware that high mortgage rates have put people off taking out mortgages. The number of people struggling to meet their repayments has also risen for people who have mortgages already. So while house prices are falling, they're still £40,000 above pre-pandemic level. In reality, for banks to attract more mortgage customers, they need to reduce their rates, because then it will become more affordable for people to take out a mortgage so they can afford the monthly payment on the loan amount that they need for the property that they want. Back to this article, will mortgage rates come down even more? So while inflation has dropped during the past year, it remains too high for the Bank of England. So currently inflation is at 4% and the Bank of England's target inflation rate is 2%. Experts generally believe that interest rates have peaked after the Bank of England decided to pause its hikes in the Bank of England base rate in September and November. Mortgage rates have also fallen since the summer. So in July, an average 2-year fixed rate was at 6.6%. And as of today, it's about 5.56%. So here it says, if inflation continues to fall as it did throughout 2023, industry insiders are optimistic that the average mortgage rates could fall below 5% again in 2024. However, December's inflation figures have given some analysts cause for concern. If inflation stays around 4%, it could take longer for mortgage rates to fall further, and they could hover around their current level for the remainder of the year. Are the experts, will it take a longer time for rates to come down? What do you think? Will interest rates go up? Will they go down? When are they going to go up? When are they going to go down? Let me know in the comments.